This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to use PlayStation Remote Play on your phone so you can play your PlayStation games on the go. Now this even works with a mobile internet connection and it's very easy to do. So you can see on the screen right now I'm playing. It looks really good actually. I'm surprised. And if you have your PlayStation set up with a wired connection, it should really reduce the input lag on here a lot. So look at that. It looks pretty good. I really can't tell the difference between playing on my PlayStation or here. Maybe it's just a little bit lower like visual quality in terms of resolution, but it looks phenomenal. Now to set this up, very easy to do. We want to get the PlayStation app on our phone. So let me just reduce it. It looks like it won't go away. Go away. So let's go over to the Google Play Store if you don't already have this. Go to the Google Play Store, and I got auto rotate on for the screen, and search for a PlayStation app by PlayStation Mobile Inc. So you can see it right there, 3.6 rating with 1 million reviews, 100 million download, and then just open this up. Now you're going to want to sign in with the same PlayStation account as your PlayStation 5. Turn on your PlayStation 5. You can actually have it in rest mode where the orange light is on, and you can start playing via that method. And it'll turn on your PlayStation and it'll turn it off when you're done. But if you connect via Wi-Fi using the same Wi-Fi network, you can disconnect it and then take this to Walmart, McDonald's, anywhere you are, really across the world. I've connected to my PlayStation when I was home when I was like in the Philippines. So it works all over the world. Now the latency was like 200 milliseconds, so it wasn't playable at all. So we can just look at that. Okay, now to play, what you want to do is go on over here. You can see all the options. Go to this option, Game Library. Go to your game. Go to where it says Play using Remote Play right here underneath Play on Console. And it will start connecting to it. So very easy to do. You can see it right here. And it should launch the game in the background on your PlayStation. So searching for a connection. So if you are connected to the same Wi-Fi, it will be pretty quick. Otherwise, if you're connected to a mobile internet connection, you're going to have to type in like a specific code on the screen so you can connect. So always use Wi-Fi if you can. It's so much easier. And then once you have it connected and paired, you can just take this wherever. And you can see you can rotate it here so it looks a little bit nicer. It's a lot easier to see. You can connect a controller to this app too. You got your microphone right here. Allow while using the app. Okay. Hello. You can talk to people. You got your settings options right there. Always show controller. I don't know what that means. Okay, got it. So you got this up on the screen here. You can start playing. Choose class. Jump in. Very easy. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.